Hey guys, Emily. I'm back with another day in my life video. Today is actually Memorial Day here in the US. I'm not sure if I have any international subscribers. So yeah, today is Memorial Day and it's about 10 o'clock and I just got ready and now I'm about to get Wes ready and we're gonna go meet up with one of my friends to go to the parade in our town because it's gonna be really good training for Wes. And what I have in my bag for today, so I have a thermos with water, I have my wallet, my medications, I have one serving of food for Wes, I have his bowl, and then I'm bringing his treat pouch, obviously with poop bags. I have extra poop bags. There's Wes. We're gonna be using our Collie's Cuddles, I think, vest, the red one, and I'm not sure which leash I'm gonna use yet. And the Collie's Cuddles vest, I hope I'm saying the right shop because she just changed her name, but we have on also our Atomic Hound bandana. I'll link the name down below. And then I'm gonna be using my Rough Wear slackline leash and then my Patience and Love wrap. We have our e-collar on and yeah, I have my treat pouch. I also have some cheese in here because I know the parade's gonna be a lot. Gotta do my burps, of course. And little puppy ready to go. When he's vested, he just comes to lay by the door, so yeah.
I'm like, I don't senior year. And someone can just like go in and like do something crazy. That's like the parade.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I went to the parade and then I hung out at one friend's house, then I switched houses. I got a few clips. I didn't get a lot because it's kind of like a little awkward to film. But now I think Wes and I are just gonna rest, possibly take a nap, watch some Netflix, just that kind of stuff. Good boy! Where's a good boy? Oh, hi puppy. Hi baby boy. Oh, I love you. I love you. Okay, bye. Say goodnight.
You ready to practice?
Okay. Oh god, it smells like mulch. Sit. Come on, sit. Good, sit. You just licked. Where are you going? Well, bye. What are you doing? Yeah. Good heel. Hands free right now. Oh yeah. Good boy. Cause I got my stuff. All right. I just took off my leash. Us over here. Sit. Good. Sit. Wait. Wait. Okay, up. Yes, good puppy. I had to put the flash on because I filmed this little thing right here and you couldn't see me. So it's about 10 p.m. and I'm in the car outside of Dunkin' Donuts. I just got my sister a milkshake. I took the opportunity to do a quick PA session with Wesley, and it was really nice because after the worker had because I walked in and the worker saw my service dog leash wrap, and after making the milkshake and everything, she was like, "Oh, is the dog with you?" And it's always really rewarding to hear that because Wes was like tucked up against the counter and he was in a down, and like that's what a service dog should be like. It means he was behaving, he wasn't disruptive, and I mean, I'm just really happy.